Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello recipe box family, welcome. Today we'll be making another basic recipe video. We will be making some mayonnaise. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Khair Aliyu and you're tuning into Recipe Box NG. I hope you remain on this channel and you become part of the family. In this channel, I teach you how to make very easy and fast recipes with simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen or in the nearest supermarket. So to start this recipe, I've put half tablespoon of sugar with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar into a bowl. I've mixed that and kept that aside. Then to my blender bowl, I've added 1 whole egg. As you can see, this container has the measurement written on it, so if you can see this, there is 500 mils, 300 mils, 100 mils. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to add our vegetable oil. So both the oil and the egg should be up to 300 mils. If you don't have a bowl like this, you can use a measuring cup to put your eggs and your oil, and then both should be 300 ml. You can double or triple this. So if you have 2 eggs, you should have 600 ml together with the oil. And then we're going to blend this. Okay, so considering the holy month of Ramadan is starting a few weeks from now, I have decided that from now on I'm going to post Ramadan recipes only, so things you can do during Ramadan, iftar or sahur. So please stay tuned for all those recipes. Simple, fast, and then very delicious. This is very simple. Blend it and then you see it magically turn into some very thick mayonnaise. Oh, look at this. Like that is it. You don't need to do anything. You are done blending. I'm going to add my vinegar and sugar into this to flavor it, and then I'm going to add a pinch of salt, just a little salt. I don't know how I didn't show the clip here, but I've added some salt into this, and then we're going to mix. You can use your spoon to mix it, you can use the blender. Now we're going to pour this into an airtight container. I don't have a small airtight container that will fit this mayonnaise because I usually use the big jars. So for this, I'm just going to use a plastic wrap and then a foil paper over it, and then keep it in the fridge. It's going to thicken up more than this when you put it in the fridge or you let it rest. So that is it for this recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Watch some of the recipes I have on this channel. They will pop on the screen right now, so click on them and watch. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that already.